Hi friends and welcome back to my channel Lotus Geek. In today's video we are going to fix an error while installing any game using Epic Launcher. You get error code like DP01, DP06 or DPOSF. So let's go ahead and fix it out. The very first method is to right click on this Epic Launcher and choose the option Run as Administrator. Make sure you run it as an admin mode. Secondly, make sure you have the latest Visual C++. I'll provide this link in the description below. Scroll down and choose the first link for 32-bit and choose the second link for 64-bit system. Just click on it, download it in your system, and then go ahead and install this program and then restart your system. Now if the problem still persists, the second method is to open your Epic Games and suppose we are going to install a game named Fortnite. I'll go ahead and install this program in my system. Now here are the tricks that you need to do. Here you will see an option folder name with C program files Epic Games. You need to click on this browse button, then open your C drive, and here make sure you open this particular folder which is program files x86. Double click to open it and over here choose this Epic Game folder. Now click on the select folder option. Once select, go ahead and install. This time your problem will be fully fixed. Now if you still face the issue, the only option we are left with is, I'll go ahead and close the Epic Launcher for now. Open the directory which is showing or which I have shown you over while installing the Fortnite game, which is C drive, program files, Epic Games, and here is the folder Fortnite. So here what you need to perform is to right click on it and click on the option Properties. Choose Security tab, and over here to change permission you need to click on the Edit button and choose the option Full Control. Hit Apply and OK button. Now click on this Advanced tab, and here Owner, under the Owner click on Change. Here click on the Advanced and then click on the Find Now button. Now here find your username. For example, my username is Lotus. I'll select it and hit the OK button. Again hit the OK button. Now hit Apply and then OK button. Now go ahead and close it and try to reinstall your program. This time your problem will be 100% fixed. So these are the 3 best ways to fix your issue while installing any game from the Epic Launcher. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.